Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to use the cub strategy to solve these word problems. Listen as I read them to you, and I want you to do the cub strategy that we do in class. If you need to use the anchor chart that your teacher made, go ahead and get it, or go sit next to it. So the C means circle the key numbers. So if we see a number when we're reading, circle it. The ice cream man had 3 drumsticks, 4 ice cream sandwiches, and 6 popsicles. How many different ice creams did he have in all? So you should have circled 3, 4, and 6. Now I want you to go and underline the question. How many different ice creams did he have in all? Now I want you to box the action word in all to know that you are going to add all 3 of these numbers. Now I would like you to draw a picture and solve your word problem. To read, draw, and write blank ice creams and all. Number 2, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it now. Fred found 5 bugs. Brett found 5 bugs. Kate found 7 bugs. How many bugs did they find all together? Pause the video while you cub this word problem and then draw a picture and write an equation. Number 3, Carl ate 7 peanuts at the baseball game. Jane ate 4 peanuts and Hank ate 3 peanuts. How many peanuts did they eat all together?